Hello my kawaii competitors and welcome to another unboxing video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, I'm KawaiiKula and today we're going to be unboxing the ColourPop Mystery box in the size small. I was planning on putting an order in with ColourPop anyway, but then I saw that they had this mystery box thing happening, so I was just like, you know what, let's take a risk, let's do it, let's have some fun with this, because I just need to get a few extra little bits and pieces to basically plump up my collection because I was running low on some things. And I thought, you know what, let's also just like see what surprise skincare I get with this and things like that. So let's open it up and get into it. Alright, so this arrived a few days ago and I haven't touched it. It's still in the box, still all taped up officially. I have not cut it and resealed it. It is still the same original tape. I just wanted to make that clear. I'm going into this completely blind. I have no idea what to expect. I've only seen like one other review of this, and this was someone who had gotten the medium-sized box, so I have no idea about what could come in for the small boxes. Also, I decided to do something a bit different with my hair today because why not? Yeah. So I'm gonna open it up and let's see how we go. I'm excited and nervous. So from what I've heard, from what I understand, can get some surprise collections. You can get some sneak peeks for what future collections are gonna be, some old collections. So we'll see, I don't know. Just open it up like so. So it says ColourPop there. Whoopsie, there we go. ColourPop in the center there. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it inwards. Well, hopefully all this box is very sturdy. I like it. It's very... Okay, we won't be able to do that. You know what? I'm going to cut this bit here so we can just see the contents there. Okay, getting back into it now. Oh, let's see. Okay. All right. Oh, let's get it out of the bubble wrap quickly. Okay. I'm so excited. I have to stop looking for a second. We're gonna open up this one first. So it's a cream gel eyeliner from the Best Friends Forever collection. I love their packaging so much. Like, look at these stars. They're so cute. I see you, Isabel. Stop looking at me. I'm gonna get to you in a second. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I want to see what color we ended up getting with this one. Oh, we got a pink! Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this! Even this packaging is so cute! Oh my gosh! Hang on, I'll turn that the right way so you can see. There we go. So what color, does it say which color this one is? Boots. This one is Boots. Okay, so that's really cute. I'm going to do a swatch like right here. Oh, that is a nice pink. That is a really nice pink. We are off to a great start. This is something I'm definitely going to be using a lot more often now that I own it and I've tried it out. So, okay. Off to a great start. What is this one? Action Natural Defining Mascara. Okay. I think this may be in a brown shade just by judging from the packaging, but I could be completely wrong. Let's have a look. Let's open that one up. Ooh, I like this. Oh, it's in black. Oh, good. I use black mascara all the time. This is really great. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see what this one is like. What the brush is like. Oh, that's going to give some solid definition. I can tell you right now, this is going to give you some great definition for your eyes. Okay, I'm excited. I'm going to do like a full look with these for another video, I reckon, once I know what I'm working with. But so far, I'm so excited to create a new look with these. I know I was going to be trying to go through my old cosmetics and everything like that before I try any new looks, but how can I resist this? Like, honestly. Okay, and now we've got a strawberry and papaya face milk. I'm going to open this one up. So I've never actually used a face milk before in my life. So I don't know what face milk is. Essentially, I'm going to figure that one out. So it says on the, hang on, first, it's really cute. It's got like a good eyedropper there. Okay, so before I do anything else, let's see what it says. Restore skin with a double dose of tropical and fruity strawberry and papaya. Formulated with strawberry seed oil and papaya oil, plus antioxidant-rich lotus flower. This replenishing blend delivers a botanical 1-2 punch to both revive tired skin and moisturize. Ooh, so routine. Apply 2 to 3 drops into the palms, warm between hands, and gently press into the skin. Use as needed. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, that sounds great. So it's essentially just like an extra liquidy moisturize. So I'm gonna open that one up. I'm gonna give it a little sniff. See if it has like a very... Oh, that is subtle. That is extremely subtle. That has like almost no scent. Like if I didn't know what the flavors were that I was gonna be looking for, like I would have no idea. That's like extremely subtle. I really like that. I'm gonna save Isabel for last. I'm just putting it out there. So we've got a so juicy plumping gloss. Okay, so I just bought a plumping gloss recently because I wanted to try it out and see how it is. I'm currently using it underneath the lipstick at the moment. Not sure if you can tell. I had to take a little bit off it because it kept smearing it and staining my sides of my lips. Ooh. Oh, you can't really see it. It's actually like, it's almost like a bit more of a burgundy color in real life. So this one's called All Talk. I'm gonna see if I can pop it on my hand. I'm gonna see if I can swatch it there for you. So it's just like a lip gloss. The one I bought recently, that's gonna be really nice. That's a nice like sort of natural, subtle, like everyday look, I think. So I really like that. Basically, the one that I have has like peppermint or spearmint, some sort of mint in there to help plump up your lip, which is really nice. I like that a lot because the only other plumping lip gloss I've tried in the past was the Too Faced one, and that one has like bee sting in it, which I'm like kind of painful, and I wasn't really, it was great. Like it definitely like did the job of making your lips really full, but at the same time it was a little bit sore. So I like the tingling sensation of the mint a lot better than bee sting. So there you go. Now we've also got a cream gel color. So I'm gonna open that one up and see how we go. Oh no. Okay, this one, I think this one's gonna be the only dud. Because I don't like yellow. So that's fine, that's fine. This one, I'm just gonna open it up here. I might be able to find a use for it. Maybe this is like telling me to get out of my comfort zone like completely. So that's actually kind of nice. I don't know, I'm gonna swatch that one as well. It's just a little bit in your finger. That actually goes a long way. Okay, maybe this will turn me around on the idea of yellow as a color, but that could actually work as a base. That would work really well as a base for me, I think. What one was this called? This one is, I don't actually know. It doesn't actually say what the color of it is. Unless, ooh, this could be like a new sneak peek or something. Something that they're trialing out. I will check. I'll like include a little name if I am able to find it on the website. But this actually might just be a new thing, like a new thing to try out, test out before they launch it. Who knows? But I can see myself using this as a base actually. That would actually work really well as like a primer for me for my eyeshadows. Because even if I don't like yellow, I can put stuff over the top of it and it'll just make everything else pop. Ooh! Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna throw this box to the side. We've got like another thing in there as well. Ooh, hang on. Let's see if it says anything on the paper too for the mystery box. It does not. It just says the SKU is the kit secret stash. So even they don't know what it is. So that's fine. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I'm already looking at the glitter. This is exciting. Again, I said I'm going to leave Isabel to the last. So this is the pressed glitter. It is the, what does that say? I'm not too sure. I don't know what that says. But let's open it up. So I can see a little bit. I'm going to try and bring it up closer for you all. That is really pretty. So looks almost like my ring a little bit. So this one, actually, let's take the plastic off of it. Ooh. So it's got like a little bit of purple in there, a little bit of pink. Mostly silver though, which is great because I love silver. So let's swatch that as well. We're just gonna swatch it down this way. Ooh, that is nice. That's gonna add some extra pizzazz to the rest of my looks, I think. I can get between this and that. I can make myself feel like a Disney princess. Why not? I really like this. That is great. Not sure if you can see, but like there are some specks of pink in there. A little bit of like mostly silver, a little bit of purple as well. I really like that. And now we get to go and open, whoopsie. Now we get to go and open the palette called 5-Star Island from their Animal Crossing collection. I am so happy I got this one. I had like a sort of little look at the Animal Crossing. I didn't want it at the time. Like, I was just like, yeah, like, I'd rather other people get it if they enjoy it a lot more. Whereas when I saw that you could get Animal Crossing eyeshadows in the mystery boxes, I was like, ooh, I kind of hope I get this one. And I did. So it's just really cute, very small. Have Isabelle on the front here. So, okay. Hang on, let me move this. And let me remove, actually I'm going to take the peely off the mirror in a second. However, we have got, this one is, okay, so I'm going to read this one here actually. So we've got Isabelle, we've got Island Tune, we've got Island Designer, and Resident Rep. So Resident Rep is actually a bit more of a burgundy sort of color as well. Very similar to like this one actually. So they're not really showing up completely on the screen here. However, these two colors complement each other really well. So that will like be a whole look on itself. So let's try and swatch this too. So again, yellow, not a huge fan, but I think this one could actually work out well. So there we go. And then put that, ooh, yep, liking that. Go on to Island Tune. That one there. It's like a almost, it's like a dark coral, which I really like. There we go. Then we've got Island Designer, which I'm going to be all over that. I'm going to use that so many times. Oh, that's nice. That is a nice shimmery pink. I really like that a lot. And then Resident Rep. Let's go. I'm running out of fingers here. Resident Rep will go down the side here. Oh, that is a nice sort of like burgundy shade. And it's got a shimmer to it as well. Got some gold in there. I really like this. I'm going to be using this for my next look, I think. Everything in this, hang on, let's bring it all here again. Okay, so black mascara, sort of like a burgundy brown, even though it doesn't really show up. I'm going to take a picture on for my Instagram and you'll be able to see it then. You can see the colors for real here. I'm not sure what the my camera is doing, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. This one, we've got the gel liner in pink, and we've got this here and the face milk, and can't forget the glitter as well. So basically, I reckon I could create a really fun look with all of these things just from this one box, and we'll see how we go. I might like use this as like a fun cheeky highlighter or something like that. I'll probably make a whole other YouTube video saying making a whole makeup look out of things from the ColourPop Mystery box, and see how we go. How's that sound? Let me know in the comments below what sort of makeup look you'd like to see me create with everything that I got from the box. Whether you want to see a daytime look, like an everyday look, or a really out there nighttime look, or a super kawaii look, which normally I don't really do, surprisingly enough. So I think that might be fun to sort of push myself as well, just to do like an all-out kawaii, almost e-girl sort of look. We'll see. Let me know, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye!